Looking to make life easier? Meet the 𝗞𝗶 rechargeable can opener. We know moms are always juggling a lot. With the 𝗞𝗶, one touch is all it takes to make kitchen prep a breeze. Our patented blade design opens cans smoothly and safely. More time for what matters most: your family. 𝗞𝗶 is ideal for everyone. Smooth edges and no food contact. Compact, lightweight, and ready to handle various shapes. Available in fun colors with a rechargeable battery. It saves you time and keeps your kitchen mess-free. Open the good times? Yes, you can.
Kitchen Mama.